Today we're here at Knott's Farm, and I went to the Gourmet Churro Factory and got their this is the Cinnamon Sugar Churro with the Spanish hot chocolate dip and sip. So you get three, kind of like a third of each of one whole churro. And then this is special hot chocolate. It's not their usual hot chocolate. It's very chocolatey, but all of a sudden you get this spiciness. So it's actually a spicy drink. I don't know if you're supposed to. It says dip and sip. They're just a little bit stale today. Let's try dipping it. We put it in there for a few seconds. See if it soaks in and makes it less stale. It kind of does make it a little less stale. So because the churros are kind of stale, it's going to go down a grade, right? But this part is actually pretty good. The actual hot chocolate itself is actually very, it's more chocolatey than the hot chocolate they serve here. And then you get that little spiciness at the back of your throat. So let's see. Let's give it a B minus. The churro could have been better, but dipping it in the hot chocolate does actually help it a little bit. Let me get the, this part is probably stale at the end part. So, yeah, if you want to get this one was $12. So, you got to decide whether you want to spend $12 on basically a full churro and a small cup of Spanish hot chocolate. Sometimes stale churro. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another sip and I'll see you in the next one.